bunny with a happy hop splashes in a puddle. Plip, plop, plop. Quack, quack goes the yellow duck. Waddle around with so much luck. Wearing boots and a red raincoat, he floats his leaf like a tiny boat. Rain is falling from the sky. Animals play and jump so high. Splish, splash, they dance around, singing with the rainy sound. A little frog sings ribbit loud, happy hopping through the cloud. He finds a snail on a soggy log. They laugh and slide through the morning fog. Kitty curls up by the door, watching raindrops more and more. She purrs a tune so soft and sweet, tapping her tail to the rainy